Choosing the right inflatable boat can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the key differences between the Stryker LX, HD, and Pro Series, so you can find the perfect fit for your adventures. The LX series is our lightweight option, perfect for those who want a balance of portability and durability. It features 15-inch one-piece aluminum transom, thermo-welded seams for superior durability, German Mehler fabric for high-quality performance, Stryker Shield hull protection with additional 1.2 mm reinforced bottom, and extra seating area protection. Fiberglass bow board, eliminating the need for wood, pre-installed Scotty mounts for fishing accessories, pre-installed Bimini mounts for easy sun and rain protection, D-rings throughout for secure gear attachment, military-style lifeline for added safety. Ideal for recreational boaters, anglers, and those who need a reliable inflatable without added weight. The HD series takes it up a notch. With enhanced durability, it includes all the features of the LX series, plus Stryker Shield hull protection with additional 1.8 mm reinforced bottom and extra seating area protection versus 1.2 mm on LX. Includes Bimini top for sun and rain protection, plus 2 Scotty fishing rod holders for all your angling needs. The HD series is perfect for adventurers who need a tougher boat that can handle rougher waters and heavier loads. The Pro Series is built for professionals, extreme adventurers, and those who need the best in performance. It features all the HD series upgrades, plus 20-inch one-piece aluminum transom to accommodate jet outboards or longer shaft outboards, as opposed to 15-inch for LX and HD. The entire hull is wrapped with Stryker Shield hull protection, providing ultimate protection and making it the most durable option available. The Pro Series is designed for serious anglers, professionals, and extreme adventurers who need top-tier durability and stability. Whether you need a lightweight, portable inflatable, a heavy-duty workhorse, or an ultimate adventure boat, Stryker has a model for you. Visit our website to find the perfect fit for your next journey.